If you want to change wallpaper on OPPO Reno 15, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. There we go. And then once you open settings, we should be able to find the home screen, lock screen, and style. So let's go over here. Now we're gonna swipe up from the bottom over here to open this section, and then we can tap on the wallpaper. Now over here we can simply use any of these wallpapers that you wish to use. We have many different examples to choose from. Like for example over here we also have like different landscapes and so on and so forth. So you can try to find your favorite one. You can also tap on more wallpapers here at the bottom of the screen in order to open the theme store with different wallpapers. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and then we can just use the apply button to download the wallpaper, and then we can set it to lock screen, home screen, or both, or add it to the carousel wallpaper. If you choose a wallpaper, you might be able to zoom in and zoom out quite easily as well, just like that. And also with 2 fingers you can move it around if you want to adjust the wallpaper a little bit. So I'm gonna zoom all the way out, and let's say we're gonna set it up like this. We can of course switch to the home screen preview, and at the bottom of the screen we have some additional options that you can go through in case you want to, for example, apply like a style or something, and use the apply button in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.